Hello everyone and welcome to today's edition of our macro product tips. My name is Conrad Song and today what I'll be doing is walking you through the MaqroTrader login. So that's our trading execution platform for when you want to buy or sell any stock. And then we'll also sort of navigate to the portfolio section of that trading platform. But before we get into that, I guess the easiest way to kick this off is to focus your attention to the macro search portal. So that's what you see here in front of you right now. As you can see, welcome to macro search. On the top left-hand corner, you can navigate to this page anytime when you're on this portal by just clicking this logo on the top left-hand corner. But to jump straight into it, just scroll down and you'll see this big yellow box, access the macro trading platform, MaqroTrader. So just for any members who are interested as to why the name is MaqroTrader and macro search. So this is everything research, macro search for research, and then MaqroTrader for trading platform. So let's go and click Open MaqroTrader here. And so that'll navigate to a separate page. Because these, and we have it for a couple of reasons at the moment. We are powered by a fantastic trading platform software provider, Open Markets. And what you'll notice is there's a whole separate login for you to access the trading platform. Now, for some of you who might think this is tedious, look, you can always set up the same username and password as you do for the macro search. But for those who appreciate the extra layer of security, look, having access to your very sensitive information when it comes to how much capital that you have in your portfolio, what stocks you hold. If you would like that to be a little bit more secure and not having the same login details as your search portal, that obviously makes sense. So what we'll do is we'll just log in using a demo platform that we have set up for one of our employees here at the firm. And I'll just put the password in. And so you can do that now for anyone who doesn't remember their password. It does happen. Or if you would just like to change your password, you can always hit forgot password and put in your email address. Hopefully you haven't forgotten that. And then just hit confirm and you should receive a link directly to your inbox to help you reset that. So that's fine, but we'll go back and just type this back in. Okay, and let's do it. Fantastic. So like I mentioned, it'll open up a totally separate platform. It actually does it in a separate window, you guys can't see it at the moment, but there's tabs on this Google Chrome, so you can navigate quite easily between the platforms. But what we'll do is we'll just navigate through to the portfolio section. So it's on the top menu. Third one down, and we've just got a demo account here which is picked up BHP today. In the literally sort of 20 minutes of when I executed this, you can see that the price is down 1.4%. So the market's obviously experiencing a bit of volatility at the moment. But what you can notice is this sort of section is your sort of current positions. It has everything that you're holding at the moment, your quantities, the actual security ticker code, the name of the business, average price, the cost of the actual consideration of the entire position, the market value, so that's not including the brokerage, the profit and loss change, both nominally, both from a points and from a percentage standpoint, and then you have your P&L nominally and from a percentage standpoint. Dividend, the ex-divvy date, the date which it actually gets paid out, the amount of the divvy, 52-week highs and lows, the industry group or sector, and then you have the market cap and PE. Now, you can actually add a lot more to that or take it out, I believe. Take it out. So you can, if you don't want to see everything, just remove some of the sections. If it's all a little bit too much for you and you say, I don't need to know all this stuff, do that. It's nice and simple. And so what I'll do is I'll just show you how the positions get added into the portfolio. And you can see on the bottom left-hand corner, you've got an equity order button. Very simple. Let's say we want to buy this time, just for example's sake, let's go CBA. So Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Let's not get too tricky with when you're buying it. Although obviously, as a client of the firm, we'll be looking to ensure you get the best prices from our research, from a research standpoint. But for the purposes of this, let's say we want to pick up 1,000 units. So, that's a bit much actually. Well, how about we go 500 units as a buy. Limit here, the order type, day only or good till cancel, and you can actually do it by units or value. We like round numbers. For investors who want to work backwards, you can obviously just do it on the value. Okay, so let's hit next. You'll then see sort of a breakdown of what the total consideration is. So you'll see how much cash you have after. This is the current cash balance, cost of the trade, brokerage, total cost, cash after. So what we'll do is let's go place order. And you can see here, you've got a little notification saying order placed with the contract note, figure, or reference number. And now it's in the My Portfolio section with a nice little notification. Again, same as last time, you've got all the metrics hopefully filled out there. And yeah, there you go. So that's kind of the basics of it. Obviously below you've got the account details. That gives you more of a snapshot of the entire portfolio. You can also export this. Click this button, you can export it all as a CSV, as we can see here, or you can, I was going to point to this one, you can run a report, and that can give you a bit more of a specific sort of rundown based on what metrics you want to use. So obviously the date, or how often. So you can do that both through a CSV and PDF. So that's always handy for tax time. All right. Well, that's pretty much the My Portfolio and sort of how to log in and reset your password sort of tutorial for the macro trading platform. For investors who don't yet have access to this trading platform, please reach out to us if you're interested. We have sort of two models in which you can operate with us. One is if you just want to do everything yourself, so you'll have access to this platform for free, and you just pay per trade, where we start off at $14.95 per trade, or 0.11%, depending on which is larger. And then from there, also there's an advised model where an advisor can effectively do this all for you. You can give us a call and say, okay, this is where your prices are at, this is what the portfolio is currently worth, this is how much it's up today or down today, and he'll sort of navigate through the execution of the orders. So yeah, feel free to give us a call or send a message straight through our chat on the website. But until next time, I guess we'll speak to you soon.